Welcome back, everybody. Today we're taking a look at Walgreens. Now, last year Walgreens had a thoroughly disappointing selection of Halloween merchandise, so I'm hoping they might have a little bit better this year, but I really don't think so based on what I'm seeing so far. This Nightmare Before Christmas merchandise, however, is about their only redeeming quality. They do have this stuff out for Halloween and for Christmas, so if you're a collector of Jack and Sally and the gang, this is a good place to find that sort of merchandise. All sorts of mugs, a fun Sally face, and glassware as well. Glasses in different designs, you can collect them all in sets or one at a time. This is kind of neat. It's a abstract version of, I guess that's Sally maybe, in a pillow form. But if you want just plush stuff, they have that as well. Mare and Oogie Boogie. Not sure if they do anything. Now over in the general Halloween selection, they have a very small offering this year, much like last year. Got a little hanging ghost here, and some little creep of the Nightmare Before Christmas merchandise, but there's zero. We also have, I guess, another hanging ghost over here that actually does do something, but it doesn't look like it's set to be able to demonstrate that here in the store. More ghosts and more Nightmare. But over here, well, we'll get to it in a second here. This witch looks kind of fun. I love her expression and those fun little hands. Of course, we'll never know what she does. I'm guessing it's just her eyes blink. Little succulents and little jack-o'-lanterns and cats and ghosts and so forth seem to be so popular lately. I don't understand it. A couple of nice little wood signs. And pumpkins with lettering, cat. Notice they say, it says like boo, and that skull has Halloween written on it. That's kind of neat. A spell book. This one actually does light up. I'm actually kind of impressed by that. I like how the spider's eyes blink. We've got some potion jars. Various types. I really love the stoppers on these. Gel clings and makeup and skeletons, even of course the unicorn skeleton. But this little skull mask is kind of neat. It conforms to your face so that the mouth will open and close when you talk. And then just some general fall merchandise. Hello, fall. Some pumpkins. More succulents. Fake, of course. And some soaps and lotions. And lastly, we've got some candy in all kinds of fun fall flavors. So that'll pretty much do it. If Walgreens does put out more merchandise this year, I'll be sure to take another look, but stay tuned for more store walkthroughs, and happy haunting, everyone.